next we are discussing type 5. So type 5 is if negative or fractional exponents are involved with trigonometry function, then try to form f and f dash. So whenever we have trigonometry function, power is what? Either it is fraction number or negative number. Then we will try to convert f and f dash with respect to sin x and cos x or with respect to tan x and cot x. So either we have to convert in terms of sin x or cos x. Because sin x if you are converting, so sin x if you take t, then cos x dx you have to write dt. And if you are taking cos x as t, then sin x dx you have to write minus dt. Okay. Similarly, if you are converting in terms of tan x, so if you take tan x as t, then secant square x dx you have to take dt. And you have to convert that integration in simple form. Same thing for cot x also. If you take cot x as t, then cosecant square x dx we have to take minus dt. And after converting in terms of t, that integration should be what? Simple. Okay, it should be in based on formula or some u into v form. Okay, so here we are taking one example. This example is integration of tan x divided by sin x into cos x into dx. With this example we have to solve. So there are many ways are there for solving. Either we can convert into sin x, or we can convert in terms of cos x, or we can convert in terms of tan x and cot x. Okay, suppose here this one we are converting in terms of sin x and cos x. So what you will do, integration of tan x we are writing root over sin x divided by root over cos x sin x into cos x dx. Okay, so after converting in terms of sin x cos x, so what you can do, either sin x you will take t or you will take cos x as t. For example, we are taking here sin x as t. So sin x differential what you come, cos x dx equal to dt. Okay, so everything we have to convert in terms of t. So first thing here we have dx, but cos x dx we have to put dt. So what you can do here, we can multiply here cos x, and here we can do what, divided by cos x. Okay, then this root over cos x and this cos x into cos x we have to convert in terms of t, in terms of sin x. So sin x we can put t. So what will come here, integration of root over sin x divided by, this one we can write root over cos x, we have to write root over 1 minus sin square x. This is sin x, and this one we can write 1 minus sin square x. Okay, and this will come cos x dx. So this integration will become what, integration of, this is what root of sin x, this is what sin x. So this will come what, 1 divided by root over 1 minus t square. Okay, so here if you put t, so root t divided by t, so this one we can add root over t, and this will come out 1 minus t square, and cos x dx we can write dt. So this will come dt. So you can see this type of integration we did. That means if you are converting in terms of sin x and cos x and you are taking sin x as t, so this form will come, and that is not integrate. Okay, so we can't integrate this one, so that method we will not follow. So instead of that, what you will do now, next we will try to convert in terms of tan x and cot x, because if you convert in terms of sin x and cos x, this type of integration will come, and that integration we can't do definitely. Okay, because till now whatever integration we have done, that is by formula based or it is converted in terms of formula, but this type of integration we can't convert in terms of formula. So what you will do here, we have to convert in terms of tan x and cot x. So what you will do here, this is sin x and cos x. So here what you will do, integration of numerator is as it is tan x only, and here what you will do, sin x we will divide by cos x, sin x by cos x. If you are dividing cos x, so you have to multiply here, so into cos x, and one more cos x is already there, so this will come cos x, okay, into dx. This will come. So what will come here, integration of root over tan x divided by sin x by cos x is what, tan x, and this is what, cos square x. So cos square x we can write secant square x dx. So this will come out, integration of 1 divided by root over tan x secant square x dx. So this one easily we can integrate, because tan x if I take t, so secant square x dx we can replace dt. So what we will do, tan x if I take t, then secant square x dx we can write dt. So this integration will become what? Integration of dt divided by root over t. Okay, so this integration what will become? T power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So this will become what? 2 root t plus c. Okay, because t power 1 by 2 and this is 1 by 2. So 2 will come in numerator and t power 1 by 2 we can write root t plus c. And t is what? 10x. So this will come what? 2 root over 10x plus c. So like that we have to integrate. So if we can't integrate by sin x and cos x, then means we have to convert in terms of tan x and cot x. So like that we have to solve problems. Next problem is integration of sin x to the power minus 1 by 13 into cos x to the power minus 25 by 13 dx. So this we have to integrate. So what we will do? So this one we can write as integration of dx divided by, these two will come in denominator. So this one we can write sin x to the power 1 by 13 and cos x to the power 25 by 13. This one we can write. So if we take sin x as t, then we can't integrate, because you can see power is what? 25 by 13. So this will come what? Very complicated will come. So what we will do? We will try to convert this one in terms of tan x or cot x. Okay. So if we convert in terms of tan x, so what you will do here? Integration of dx. This is what? Sin x to the power 13. If you want to convert sin x in terms of tan x, so what you will do? We have to divide by cos x. And power should be what? Same as 1 by 13. So cos x power should be 1 by 13. Okay, so you are dividing this one, so you have to multiply here. So what will come? Cos x to the power 1 by 13. And this one is as it is, we have to write cos x to the power 25 by 13. So what will come here? Integration of dx divided by sin x by cos x, we can write tan x to the power 1 by 13. And here cos x power is what? 1 by 13 into cos x power 25 by 13. So here what will come? Cos x power what will come? 1 by 13 plus 25 by 13. So that is 26 by 13. So 26 by 13 is what? 2. So what will come here? Cos square x. So this one we can write integration of dx, and cos square x we can write as secant square x divided by tan x to the power 1 by 13. So if I take tan x as t, then secant square x dx we can write dt. So this integration will become dt divided by t power 1 by 13. So this one we can do easily integration. So what will come here? Tan x to the power minus 1 by 13 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 13 plus 1 plus c. So this we can simplify this one. So what will come here? Tan x to the power what will come? 12 by 13 divided by 12 by 13 plus c. So what is the answer? 13 by 12 tan x to the power 12 by 13 plus c. This is your answer. This is 12.